it be nice one day to spend our retirement living on an island?
Which island are we talking about here?
Retirement.
Retirement.
The time to do, hopefully, what you want, when you want, and how you want to do it.
If your finances agree.
Let's look at some pre-retiree stats and test how much you and I really know about their financial situation.
Okay.
Fact number 1. What is the percentage of pre-retirees that are considering downsizing? I'm going to say 32%.
I'm going to go with 33.
All right, you ready? 87. We were both completely wrong.
That's a lot of people.
Downsizing isn't the only option. There are tons of design and renovation options that you can do to make your home work for you.
You can make sure that your door openings are wide enough for accessibility if you're in a wheelchair. Renovating your bathroom, you can put solid surface or plywood behind the tiles in the shower so you can add grab rails and things you need in the future.
And after spending years loving your home, you've built equity. So now that equity can work for you. With a home equity line of credit, you may be able to borrow against the equity in your home. You may use it for a design or a renovation project to help you stay in your home longer. Let's look at the next fact.
Okay.
What percentage of pre-retirees plan on working in retirement?
20%.
Now I was going to say 34. Do you want to know the answer?
Yes, I do.
46.
It's almost 50-50. After years of working, you want to spend your retirement doing things you love to do, whether that's spending time with your family, volunteering, or just sitting in a chair reading a book.
With RBC's My Advisor, you can connect with an advisor that can help you figure out how much you need to save and what your income will look like into retirement.
And this way, you can spend less of your retirement worrying about your finances and more time doing the things you love.
So let's relax and enjoy. We've earned it.
Can we retire yet?